Welcome to the online training for Trimble's EC-CAD sheet metal. In this exercise, we're going to look at setting up the special instructions inside of Part Manager that can be applied to the label in FabShop. To do this, you're going to go back to your configuration setup or the gear in the upper right-hand corner. We'll go ahead and we'll select that, and now we're going to come down here and we're going to select our special instructions. Special instructions are just a list of phrases that can be printed on the label. So you can see here we have some set up here, weld to plate, coupling, ship KD, paint black, all different kinds of special instructions, cover with bird screen. To add a new special instructions, just like anything else in the Part Manager, you just simply are going to drag the icon over, drop it, and now by going to the edit, you can now edit this special instruction. So this can be however you would like to put in here something on the label. So maybe you could say you want to add a damper. And now that's a special instruction that can be added to any sticker as we're going through there and we're drawing. So we'll go ahead and just hit done on that, and that will that's how you add the special instructions.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.